In this combo workout, we're building up your bar chord muscles and speeding up your strumming arm with another funky strum pattern. This time we're gonna get up to 200 beats per minute. So let's just get into it. This is the third funky strumming exercise, so if you want a thorough explanation about what's going on, check out this video first. In the last two exercises, we only did 2 chord hits per strum pattern. This time we're gonna start doing 3. Here's what it looks like. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We're just gonna be following the same steps we've done in the last 2 exercises. In the first round, we're gonna be playing an A minor by doing an E minor bar chord shape on the 5th fret. And we're gonna play the strum pattern 4 times in a row. Here's what it looks like after we've worked our way from 80 beats per minute up to 150 beats per minute. Then in round 2, we're gonna play the strum pattern 2 times in a row over 2 different chords. The A minor we were just using, and G major, which is right here in the 3rd fret, playing an E major bar chord shape. Here's what it looks like after we've worked our way up from 120 to 170 beats per minute. And then in round 3, we're gonna add another chord, F major, which is using that same E major bar chord shape, but in the 1st fret. And this time we're only gonna play the strum pattern 1 time per chord. The chord progression is gonna be A minor, to G major, to F major, back to G major. We're gonna play it 2 times in a row, so you're gonna kind of zigzag back and forth between these 3 chords. This time we're starting at 150 beats per minute and working up to 200 beats per minute. However, in an effort to make it a little funkier, I'm gonna set up the drums so that we're playing 16th notes instead of 8th notes. 16th notes are just twice as fast as the 8th notes, so to do that, I just set the drums to be half the speed. So while we're playing 150 beats per minute, the drums are at 75 beats per minute. You won't have to change anything. Don't worry about it, but here's what it sounds like. Now we haven't really talked about 16th notes on this channel yet, and we will, but let this be a good example of how they're not fundamentally any different than 8th notes. You know, they're just twice as fast, but they don't feel any different. You don't really do anything different with them. You count differently with them, but that's really it. So hopefully this doesn't weird you out too much, but it should sound funkier. All right, well, let's get into the exercises. If you wanna pause the video and try everything out at your own speed, might not be a bad idea. But when you're ready, just hit play and here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. All right, last one. Ready, go. All right, round 1, done. Nice work. As we're getting into the faster speeds with round 2, make sure that you're holding your pick a little loosely. You want it to give a little bit so it glides across the strings. If you're holding it too tight, it's gonna add too much resistance and it's gonna sound really harsh. So if you're experiencing that, maybe just loosen up on your grip a little bit. All right, here is round 2. 1, 2, ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. All right, last one. Ready, go. All right, round 2, done. How's your arm feeling? Is it getting tired? I hope. Here's round 3. And if this doesn't happen right away, don't beat yourself up over it. Just be patient, give it a couple weeks. You'll get there. Or maybe you'll just do it first try. Who knows? There's only one way to find out. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. One, two, 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 1, 2, ready, go. All right, last one. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Nice work! You made it! Was it the first try? Or was it the 10th try? Either way, congrats. If you're trying to boost your strumming speed and your bar chord strength, make sure to subscribe so you can stay up to date on all the fun, new, exciting exercises coming out every week or so. And if you want to make sure that my coffee stash stays full so I can keep up with all these late night editing sessions, there's a link in the comment to help me out, which would be like super cool. All right, well, that's gonna be it for this one. You want to see a cool magic trick I learned? I'm gonna make some buttons appear out of thin air. Pretty wild, huh? Be a shame if you didn't click them after I just conjured them from the ether and all. Almost rude even. All right, well, see you in the next one. Bye.